What's up, YouTube? Man from over here with another YouTube video. Today we're taking on the Jaguars and Trevor Lawrence. They gave us Chris Lindstrom. We need to line up great. Brought our overall up 74. Oh, we got our Matt Floyd back? Okay. That's good. Let's see. See what he put our overall at. 76, okay. We should not be losing any more games. 76 overall, 71 defense. Yeah, we look good. Take a look at the team we going against. 71 offense, 69 defense. The Chargers looking to return the ball. He make it past the 15, the 20. He breaks the tackle, and he couldn't make it much farther. The Chargers come out in pistol formation, looking to put an end to this losing streak they got going. He hands the ball off to Joshua Kelly, who get 5 yards. The Chargers must be thrilled from the signing that they got with Chris Lindstrom, and Matt Fuller came back from injury. He hands the ball off on a little jet sweep to DeAndre Hopkins. They really need Justin Herbert to step up in those big situations. Chargers ball. The Chargers moving the ball nicely. Justin Herbert step back. He found Mike Williams for a 15-yard gain. Sad how the Chargers lost to the Chiefs. They had their game down pat. He find Keenan Allen. He run with it, and he nearly make it to the red zone.
Since we're at the point, I'm going to do this. I'm looking for Keenan Allen or Mike Williams.
Nice.
Okay, Mike Williams come down with it. Stop playing. Good catch. You know they'll go for the 2. Looking for one of the inside routes. Michael, I see you. Let's go. Run the list on too to see what they doing. See how they want to run this. Good tackle. You gotta do better than that. Let's run the little cover 3. Bring all my linebackers out. Okay, we on that. Come on. You on a flat. Run some man coverage. Come on, back up. You on linebacker. Travis Etienne, where you going? Well. I was gonna get got with that 6 as well. Cover the middle of the field.
10-3 Vikings and Tommy. Look at Jamal Anderson.
Yeah, Jamal Anderson with not 1 but 2 stiff arms, and the last one on.
I got thing. Oh, they made me want something. It's locked. Let's go. Bad pass. We'll come back out and cover 2 and then put you down to. I'm covering the middle of the field. Nobody open. No, somebody get him. No. That's crazy. They left us with 30 seconds. I probably shouldn't have returned it. I would have had more time on the Let's go for some deep. Looking for Mark Williams, Keenan Allen, and DeAndre. Tight end last option. I believe I can fly. Good kick. Gotta go for it again. Gotta move the field. We only got 10 seconds. X really quick. I'm gonna get a stiff on. Take time. We're at the 25. Let's see if this corner route can get us there.
I've got you in my sights.
Get there. Let's go. No, we're going for the two. Keenan Allen, good. No, we couldn't stay. We're going to start it out. The running back, Amoni. Stay out here in that nickel formation. Bro, I'm on it. I'm on the left to lead though. Bring my linebackers off. Push you down, Joey. Khalil, you pull down. It's a random play. Good stuff, Khalil. Good stop. Let's get you the quick thing. I'm literally running with my man. Who got the sack? I ain't even white. Come on, JC Jackson. You are number one. You gotta stay with it. Oh, they got me on the line.
Denied.
Good step up. Good stuff, Fred. Good play. Get that pop on. That's run coach too. We got Khalil rushing off the edge. Go use it, Joe. Ah, that's smart. That's right, man. Back you up. Cover 2 feet. Let's see what happens. Oh, they run the ball. Oh, good stop, Fred. I'm not comfortable. I didn't know it was 4. I didn't know it was 4 quarter. Hey, let's go, right? Good pick, good pick. I see you, Keenan, right over the field. Stiff on, get off me. I did not mean to run the same play. We can't lose like how we do it. And the Chiefs, we had to do it. Stiff on, get off me. You get it too. Come on. Make some more running, just play action. Keenan, oh, that's pop. Well, good catch. This right here, this should be first down. Good stuff. Catch. Okay, so our first victory. If they want to win, they gotta stay now. They gotta stole, they gotta stop us and score you. This one. Oh. I'm not on the running back. You got me this time. I'm on cover. Oh, I did not mean to try to run cover 1. They got my lineman and linebacker. Good stuff. Run this cover 3 like I tried. Get on Kyle from Noah. We locking up the field. The running back. How did he get? That's not legal. Buddy Stepped all over the line of scrimmage and still threw the ball. So we got to get on the ball. I was not on it all. Well, let's go to bring it back. They're really trying to onside kick. They know they're not going to get it. Get what? We got to blitz. We got to push him back. That's where I come from. I'm literally right there beside you. Cover the whole field. Come on, we got it.
I've got you in my sights.
We got it. Let's go. They in the 4 receiver set. I want to run, but I'm not. I'm simply going to cover 3. Cover 3, bring out my linebackers. Come on, you got to cover the field. Oh, they run the Hail Mary. How did he catch this game?
Let's go. We finally got our first victory. It took us 3 games, but we finally got it done. We had to fix our line. Our line was garbage. We finally fixed our line, and when we did that, we finally got our first victory. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.